everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. Today I want to show you this card, which is made from some of the things in the Tea Room Suite. So the first thing we're going to use is we're going to use Time for Tea. We're going to use rich Razzleberry ink. We're going to use a piece of cardstock. This is Calypso Coral. It is 8.5 by 5.5. We're just going to make it a card base. We're going to use a piece of scrap, a Bermuda Bay. We are going to use the Tea Room Specialty Designer Series paper. I cut this already 4 to 5 1/4. We are going to use some of the tea time ribbon, and we're going to use some glue dots and some stamping dimensionals. This is going to be just a quick and easy card. I needed to use up some of my designer series paper since we're moving, and I want to have as little as possible, but I don't want any to go to waste. So I'm just going to attach this. Now you'll notice, hopefully you can, that there's butterfly prints on this one underneath, like a background stamp itself on the paper. So I cut it so you could see one of those butterflies. Oops, first of all, we have to, forgot about this, have to tie the ribbon around. I don't want it to go around the full card. I don't necessarily like seeing the ribbon in the card when I open it. So I'm just going to tie this around like this and tie a bow. Just like that. Now you can have the bow up or down. It all depends upon where you want it, and you can move it after. So, okay. And just cut those off. And then now I'm going to, after I stuck it on the paper once, I'm going to stick it on the paper again. Straighten up the bow, put it where you want it. I want it a little more to the top. There. And that's going to stick right there. Then I'm going to take my rich raspberry, and I'm using Cheers. And I am just going to put that right over here. Then I'm going to take my pretty label punch. Sorry, forgot about the pretty label punch. I'm going to just punch that out. And I'm going to attach this with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And now the colors, you can use almost any colors. The colors that go with the Tea Room Specialty are Calypso Coral, Coastal Cabana, Crushed Curry, Old Olive, Rich Raspberry, and Berry Vanilla. Excuse me. Anyhow, remember to follow me on YouTube. All the products are listed down below for this. I would appreciate it if you like my cards and videos, that you purchase your Stampin' Up products from me. Also, share this with your friends. Send them a link to the video. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.